I'm on my way to Home Depot. I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of Christmas lights. I'm gonna park this Benz, and it's officially Christmas season for Jimbo. We're going to decorate the crap out of the truck. This is my first year doing it too, so I'm pretty stoked. We're gonna decorate Jimbo on the outside with Christmas lights and whatever else I decide to grab on there. Maybe a wreath.
Mariah Carey. Bro. We can't. Not for copyright.
Dude, did you just confuse Alicia Keys with Mariah Carey?
Bro.
What? This is like...
They're both from New York.
This is what I'm talking about with you being like... Remember I was saying like you do shit that's just like a young man's thing? Like you just do shit that I'm just like, oh yeah, Daniel's young as shit. That's what I'm talking about. How do you mix up Alicia Keys? Alicia Keys is good and everything, but it's like...
They're both from New York. That's the thing. That is my only connection to two. I don't listen to Mariah Carey. I don't even listen to Alicia Keys like that.
I mean, me either. Like, you see me cruising around. Do I look like the type of guy that's cruising around listening to Mariah Carey?
Actually, yes.
Yeah. Point taken.
No, definitely not. Definitely not. No, Alicia Keys is...
Did you just Google it?
Yes, bro. Because I had to double check. I was like, there's no way she's uglier than what I think she is. No, that woman is still gorgeous.
Dude.
Out of this world.
I'm not saying that Alicia Keys isn't pretty. But it's Mariah Carey, dude.
I'm going to put her side by side.
Yeah.
Up on the screen.
Yeah. Do that. Do that. But make sure they're age for age. Yeah, what if we put a tree in the bed?
Like standing up?
Yeah.
How are you gonna get it to stay? You gonna nail it in?
It's Jimbo.
That's valid. That's valid. I can't get mad at that.
We'll put like a stand on there. Oh. In the interior, a Grinch snow globe on the center armrest. Do we do clear lights or colored lights?
Colored.
I love how quick you were to respond. Alright, let me get a card. So now we gotta go get those clear command hooks, or see if they got some magnetic stuff that we can like attach these with.
Yeah.
It's the most Clifton Heights Upper Darby cart ever. Like, this wheel sums up Upper Darby. I was trying to find like a magnetic something to hold it on Amazon, but it was like they were so bulky. Dude, these are perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You barely see them. Okay, so we got 40 in a pack. So we got that's a lot of hooks. We probably don't need that many, huh?
Yeah, it might help. Not that many. Maybe we need like half of that. Like 3 of those. Okay.
Yeah, you know it would be dope? If we did like a manger whole setup in the bed. I'm like a pro.
Just those two on there, right?
You look like a pro.
I'm not even getting a bag. I hate bags. That's a deal. That's not bad, right?
Thanks very much. You have a good day.
Not bad.
Enjoy your holiday.
This is gonna be the best thing I've done in a long time. I woke my boys up early because they said that they were gonna want to do this. And both of them are like, I changed my mind. I don't want to help you. I'm like, all right, cool. So I took the iPads, I stashed them in the where they can't find them. I was like, if you guys thought you're gonna sit home and do nothing all day, now you gotta clean your room super thoroughly. They thought they were getting off easy with like, I'm just gonna sit around and do nothing all day. I was like, nah, not happening. Man, I can't tell you how much I love driving this car. It doesn't even make sense. But, to be fair, I think I say that every time I drive one of my cars. Every time I'm like, oh, this one's my favorite. What's that squeaking? Is that you? Are you squeaky, bro?
Probably.
Yeah, you got a squeaky body.
My knees are catching up to me. Soon I'm gonna be just like you, Jay.
Dude, my knees. These old knees. It's alright though. I'm good with it. It's part of getting old. Damn, dog, come on. You see how fucking strong I am? So, the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure I can get these to power up. Remember I was telling you about how they're originally set up for 120 volts for a house. So I got to make sure that 12 volts will make them work. Is this James's pretzels?
Yeah.
My pretzels. All right, let me go get some of them lights. I'm wondering if the end is like a converter. So I'm wondering if the bulbs themselves like 12 volts, so that this would take in 110 and convert it into 12 volts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these wires and try it on the opposite side here. Unfortunately, it means sacrificing one row to see if it works or not.
This is like science experiments with your crackhead neighbor.
Yeah. I love crack. Much to my surprise, we need a power inverter to convert from 12 volts to 110. So back to Home Depot. Almost forgot about the best pool store ever, Harbor Freight. It's like a block from my shop. Gotta do it. Alright? Moment of truth. So long, heated seats.
Got 10 done here.
Doing a great job.
was telling Josh about how Billy didn't like me taking away from his shine back in the day. So he purposely wouldn't tell me what time dinner was, and then he would call me up and like, yo, what are you doing? We're sitting down eating, why aren't you here? Every time, like, where the fuck is James? Like, I didn't invite him on purpose, you know what I mean?
Yeah, come look at this superb install. This is like some shit I would have did in high school. Look, I ran the extension cord out, and look, it fits in here perfectly.
Oh my God.
It's snug as a bug in a rug, dude. On the side, we'll come across the bumper, we'll go up and around the wreath,
Oh, on the Ford side.
and then go back around.
Okay. Yeah, we'll put it like dead center on the Ford. We'll lay it up in the middle. Look nice.
Alright, let me put some of these sticky Johns.
Henry would have loved this.
Yeah, 100%. For you guys that don't know the story of this truck, this was James's dad's truck since new. I bought it off him and like did this with it. So James, ever since he was a little kid, was riding in this truck to go get his Christmas tree. Yeah, tell the story about the little saw.
Okay, so we would drive all the way up past Exton into the mountains to get the Christmas tree, and we would go Friday or Saturday right after Thanksgiving every single year. We drive all the way up to the mountains to a real thing where you chop it down. And my dad bought me a little kid saw that's about 12 inches long. He had the full-size saw, I had my little saw, and I couldn't even get through the bark. But I'd just be over there, you know, I'd walk around carrying my saw when I was like 10 years old.
So when I got the truck, I called him up. I'm like, yo, get your little saw, dude. I'm taking you to get a Christmas tree. He was like, no, I don't have my saw anymore. I'm like, then we ain't doing it.
Top 3 Christmas movies.
Number 1, we'll ruffle some feathers here. Bad Santa. Number 2, Christmas Vacation. And number 3, Muppets Christmas Carol.
Rudolph Claymation with the Abominable Snowman.
Yeah.
National Lampoons. And then, oh shit. Well, you know what? We'll go modern. Love Actually.
Ooh, okay.
What a weird Christmas list.
There's Home Alone. There's, oh my God, Jim Carrey's A Christmas Carol. The one where it's like the...
You like that
CGI.
one?
Yeah, dude. I think it's fire. But I just love Jim Carrey like that though.
Yeah.
And, oh my God. Wow. Elf.
Elf is a good one. See, that's the thing. It's like, when you say only 3, there's like a lot. There's like a lot. There's like a top 15 that are kind of like equal.
Polar Express. That was the one that I like. Dude, that was my favorite one as a kid.
Once Polar Express came out, we were already like in high school.
Yeah.
But that was a big thing when Polar Express came out. Because when we were kids, that was the book.
You can't take Christmas movie advice from James though, because he's Jewish.
Good call.
So
That's fair.
he's biased. That'd be so cool. And foot me. Oh, 100%. Like we already know that's gonna happen. Yeah, and it's like, I'll do it like today. It's just taking all the clear coat off in this spot and have another one. good recommendation on getting the colored lights because it looks incredible. And Merry Christmas.